Well, speaking of going viral, clothing company Wish, they have a new ad that recently got a lot of attention on social media, but for all the wrong reasons. Wish's ad was criticized for using thin models to sell their plus-size tights. Product shots on Wish's website show the models stretching out the tights with their arms and bringing the fabric up to their face. On a listing for another pair, the model has her entire body in just one leg of tights. Now, ladies, do you think this ad is daring or just plain rude?
What?
I don't think the ad is dumb. I think you just realize here that there are hella people out there who are dumb.
Yes.
Because they approve things like this, and they're like, it's good, it's smart. Let's go ahead and put that
Well,
up. Who sat in there and thought this was okay?
First of all,
Who was like, that, I approve that, that's gonna be a hit?
I'm a plus-size girl, okay? These are my tights. These are my actual tights. And I don't think, Jeannie, you can fit in the, you can put your head over these tights. These are the actual size.
I can't believe that.
And I'm 240, okay? I'm 240. So this is how, so I don't know what elephant is in those tights.
Yeah, what kind of stretch does that have?
I think they knew that, you know, people would probably be offended by it and would get people talking about it, because I didn't know what Wish was before.
No, never heard of it.
Before this. And, you know, now there's a thing called clickbait. Whereas when people see this, you know, everything's about how many likes you have, how many followers you have.
Views.
Yes. So they knew that if they put a skinny model in, you know, some oversized whatever tights and make fun of the situation, then people will be talking about it. And look,
that's
now
not helping their sales, because now all the big girls ain't gonna buy their stuff.
Right?
That's the whole
It's
thing. We're not
offensive.
buying it. And
I know,
you gonna do that?
There are people out there who would think, okay, well, they're talking about it, must be popular. Oh, I'm gonna buy it now. Like you were saying, there are people that
corny.
This is another case for Jamal, the intern. Okay, I will tell y'all, it's the intern that sit in the corner that don't nobody pay attention to. His name is usually Jamal, and he will tell you the right and the wrong. If you would have went to Jamal and said, "What do y'all think about us putting tights over skinny girl's head?" He would be like, "Nah, that's not cool, dog.
Nah, man.
That's cool."
It's gonna be a no for me, dog.
It's gonna be a no.
It's gonna be a no.
Also think, like, if you're the model, what are you thinking when they tell you, okay, so you're gonna pose, we're gonna make up and glam you, then you're gonna crawl into the hosiery, and you're just gonna stretch it out.
Let me show you that my whole body is one of your legs. That's terrible.
That's so dumb. Girls, models, you guys are so smart, so you guys have a choice. They know when it looks dumb like that.
I agree, Jeannie.